Hey guys, how you doing? So I was online the other day and I come across this Ryobi magnifying glass. It's rechargeable. It's about 3-inch diameter glass. It's 3x. We're going to compare it to my 3.5-inch go-to magnifying glass that I've had for years and see how it is. This has been my favorite magnifying glass that I've ever had. We're going to see how this one compares to it. The reason I bought this one is this one is kind of cheap. It just takes 2 AA batteries. The problem that I've had with this one is sometimes when you pick it up, you will pop this cover off. Little piece of tape around that would probably be just fine. But we're going to compare it. This is nice because it has very little distortion. It has about the right amount of magnification. And we're going to compare this one with this one. And I've got a little 10x that we're going to compare it to. The reason I bought this is because it looks a little bit more robust. It does have a rechargeable battery, so you don't have to worry about running out of AA batteries for that one over there. This is rechargeable by USB-C. The light on this one is on high, it's 200 lumen. On low, it's 60 lumen. Magnification is 3x. The battery is a 2 ampere-hour battery, or a 2,000 milliamp battery, 4 volt. More than likely, the battery is nothing more than a 18650 in the proprietary housing for Ryobi. It is made in Vietnam. The batteries are made in China, or the battery. You can get this same setup with dual batteries also. So let's get this thing out of the pack and let's get started here. It does come with a bag, so that's nice. Drawstring. I did see that there's people online that have made 3D printable covers for this. Oh, well, that's nice. The battery has got a indicator light, lets you know the charge level. It is kind of cool. Battery is not fully charged right now. So I guess the only fair thing to do is shut the camera off, let me charge this battery completely up, and then we'll go from there. Because I did just put fresh batteries in this one. Alright guys, got the battery charged up. Took about an hour to finish topping it off. It's got a flat spot there, so the battery obviously is going to only go in one way. And let's see here. I'll do it like this first. One hit, bright, another hit, low, another hit, off. Bright, low, off. Now what I've got here, this is a deal I printed out. I went from font size 8 to font size 20. And then I've got a grid here, a distortion grid that we're gonna see how this does. First, let's just take a look at the text. And I'm gonna turn the light on. We'll keep it on bright. It's got some distortion to it, but it's not bad. Hopefully you're seeing that. Let's take a look at the distortion grid. Trying to hold the magnifying glass as level to the camera as I can. So there's a little distortion around the edges. Not too bad. The more you pull it back, the more distorted things get. So let's try out this has been my go-to magnifying glass for quite a few years. And I've always liked the way it looks. The one thing I don't like about it, so it takes AA batteries. Sometimes when I'd pick it up, my fingers would unlatch the door. So I've never really cared for that. But it does light up. You hit it you only got one brightness. You hit it, it's on off. You hit it, that's as bright as it gets. It's always kind of casted a blue tint. So I've never really cared for that. But all in all, it's always done pretty good. Seems like there's less distortion with this one. Now this is a 3 3¼ so it's a 1/4 inch bigger. And this is a 3x, this is a 3x. Both these were 3x magnifying glasses. Let's check out the grid distortion. Yeah, I can already tell there's definitely less grid distortion with this one. Now let's try the little 10x. Oh, that was for that one. If you guys happen to have this style magnifying glass, there's a few manufacturers of this. I've designed a magnifying glass cover that you can 3D print. I'll put the link to that in the description to where you can go and download it for free. This is a little 10x. This is the magnifying glasses that we use at work whenever we need a magnifying glass. And it's just a little small, looks like about inch and a half lens. And it definitely has some magnification, but if you pull too far away, then it really gets distorted. But it does have some magnification, but it also has a lot of distortion. So you can see all that distortion. I don't know if the distortion comes through as well on the camera as it does to my eyes, but like right there, it's so distorted I can't even tell that those are squares. About right there I can tell. If I'm right in the center, I can see a square. But anyway, this video is mainly about this. I like the feel of it. I wish the magnifying glass was just maybe a 1/2 inch bigger. I think that would be make it a better setup. But it does come with a little lens cover, so that protects the lens, which is what you want. And I'm sure that is probably, yeah, that's a plastic lens. Years ago I had a glass magnifying glass. I don't know what happened to it, but it was phenomenal. I love glass magnifying glasses, but probably hard to find those nowadays. Anyway, this video's done. This is going to be a nice little addition. Does come with a 2-year warranty, so that's nice. And yeah, rechargeable battery, USB-C. Anyway, you guys take care. We'll see you.